Today we see an excellent move that could signal a bottom in the SPY, the QQQ, and many other stocks we have on our radar. So in today's video we are going to analyze the market from a technical analysis perspective to develop strategies to help us navigate the market. Our philosophy revolves around designing strategies that control risk by mitigating losses while maximizing profits. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, where you receive analysis without bias, no guesswork, no bets, no assumptions. Everything said here is based on facts and technical evidence. My name is Nathan. Welcome to another daily analysis video. Now, yes, SPY is going up nicely. We see a very strong bullish reaction right above a critical support level. As I have been telling you guys here in this channel, the 576, the 575 support area down here is critical for the SPY because it is the trigger point of a possible double top chart pattern on the weekly chart, and that would be a very dangerous bearish reversal chart structure reversing the long-term uptrend, because on the weekly chart we are still bullish. Okay, by the moment we lost this purple trend line, we are losing momentum. Okay, we are losing strength, but we are not necessarily bearish yet. Now, by losing the 575, all right, we are going to officially trigger a very solid bearish reversal chart structure, suggesting a long-term reversal on the SPY ETF, which could bring another bear market ahead. Now, okay, by reacting above the support level, SPY is avoiding such bearish scenario. Okay, we are avoiding a bear market, at least for now. Now you may say, okay Nathan, but is right now a good time to buy the SPY ETF? Is it crazy? Well, it is certainly not crazy, unless if you are not trading without using stop losses, without knowing where your target is going to be, because guys, us traders, we always have to know where our stop loss and where our target are going to be even before we place the trade. Okay, if you are trading without setting stop loss order, that's crazy to me. Okay, now if you say, is it crazy to buy? No. Is it crazy to sell? No. If you do have a strategy, you will be fine, because we can't possibly control the market, but we can control our strategies. All right, and right now, if you ask me, SPY is not only making a very good bottom signal, not investment device, but we are making a bottom signal above a crystal clear support level, and in this situation the risk reward relationship is very attractive, because if you buy over here, even if you are wrong, okay, let's say, okay, I'm wrong over here, I'm buying, but we are gonna see SPY collapsing tomorrow like it did over here on February 28th. Okay, we saw a fantastic bullish reaction above, after closing this gap over here above a gap support, just to see a very strong bearish reaction this Monday, rejecting this bullish candle. It's totally possible to see this scenario happening again. Okay, it is totally possible, but even if this happens, even if you are wrong, you are going to lose little, because you are controlling your risk. If you are right, okay, we can surf another bullish rally over here, maybe to the $600, maybe to the all-time high area again. All right, either way, we are here to control our risks and develop strategies to maximize profits while mitigating losses. Okay, so it is perfectly fine to buy SPY in this circumstance, in this scenario, as long as you know where your stop loss is going to be, because if you're wrong, okay, you're gonna be wrong, that's totally fine. As professional traders, we are not going to avoid losses. Okay, we don't try to avoid losses. Professional traders, they accept losses. They understand that losses are part of the game. Okay, newbies want to avoid losses. Newbies want to make money every single trade. Okay, this is not going to happen. If you're here in this market, and if you're not willing to understand that you are vulnerable to risks, then this is not your place, okay? You shouldn't be investing, you shouldn't be trading, all right? So we gotta bear in mind that we could be wrong, but it is not crazy at all to buy near a support level with a good risk-reward relationship, all right? So SPY is making a very nice bottom signal. It is looking very good, not investment advice, all right? But it is looking very good right now. And if you ask me, it is just reacting around the support level of this medium-term congestion, because apparently SPY is still inside this rectangle chart pattern, right? We are inside a congestion on the daily chart. So by reacting above this support level, it is totally expected. It is totally normal, not crazy at all. Now, but Nathan, what if we see the SPY losing this support level next week or maybe even tomorrow? Then all right, if we close on the weekly chart, now pay attention, if we close on the weekly chart below the 575, we are going to officially trigger this double top chart pattern, okay? Because yes, we see a double top chart pattern, but this pattern wasn't triggered yet. Maybe it never will, just like we saw over here in 2020. Okay, I did tell you guys about this pattern this week, okay? We saw SPY going up 60% since the previous bottom over here, and then we saw another double top chart pattern. Okay, many people were afraid, many people were panicking about it, but this pattern wasn't triggered, because in order for a double top pattern to be triggered, we gotta lose this trigger point and close below this trigger point. In this case over here, we do not see SPY closing below its trigger point yet. Today is still Wednesday, okay, so there is still time to see another bearish reaction. There is still time to see the SPY closing below the 575 again, but so far so good. The situation is still under control. We see a bullish reaction on the daily chart above this support level. So okay, it could be a fantastic bottom signal. This could save the market. This could be what the SPY needs to trigger another bullish rally to the all-time high again, all right? It could be. But of course, we gotta be extremely careful, because any long position must be very controlled, meaning we are still in bearish territory. Okay, we are still below the 21-day EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart. So we are still maintaining this bearish bias. I do see that a bounce to the moving average, a bounce to the $600 is totally plausible. But beyond this key point, above this key point, I don't know. Okay, maybe we're going to reverse, maybe we are going to make another top signal near this resistance level, suggesting yes, more bearish correction ahead. But so far, all that we know is that we see a bottom signal, which is a promising one, suggesting another bullish reaction, possibly to retest our next resistance level. Then we'll see if SPY will truly reverse or not. The QQQ shares a very similar chart structure. We see the QQQ reacting after closing this gap over here above the 492. Now, the key point on the QQQ is the $500. If we maintain its price above the $500 on the weekly chart, we are going to also avoid the idea of a double top chart pattern. Okay, so in this scenario, we are going to maintain the bullish bias, because the QQQ will maintain its price above, inside this ascending channel. Okay, we are ascending, we are still going up, all right? We are maintaining the bull trend long-term wise on the weekly chart. So by reacting, by closing above the $500 on the weekly chart, the QQQ will certainly avoid a sharper correction for now. Maybe we're gonna see a bottom signal on the weekly chart as well. So far, it's too soon to tell. It all depends on how we are going to close the weekly candle, if we are going to maintain the price above the $500 area or not. Now, okay, Nathan, the indices are trading around critical support levels, making promising reactions, all right, which favors a bullish scenario. Yes, that's our reading over here so far. Now, how this is going to affect our stocks? Because Nvidia Nvidia is also around a support level, a support area, which we have been monitoring here in this channel for many weeks right now, and we also see a bullish reaction. Yes, this could be a fantastic bottom signal on Nvidia. Now, if Nvidia is going to react, now is the perfect time to do so, because we are near a bottom level. Okay, this yellow area over here is a support area. Okay, now by reacting above this area, Nvidia will suggest more upside left, will suggest a bullish rally to its next resistance levels, like the 130s. Okay, the 130s is a critical support level for Nvidia. I'm so sorry, is a critical turning point for Nvidia, because it was a previous resistance level over here, support level here, support level here, support here, resistance here, support here again, right? Now, it could be another resistance area for Nvidia. What's more, it is very close to the 21-day EMA as well, making this entire area a very strong resistance level for Nvidia. So if we're going to see a bounce to this resistance level, now is the perfect time to do so. Okay, now is the best place for us to see Nvidia reacting. Guys, I'm not even talking about a true reversal. Okay, I'm just saying that it is plausible to see a rally to our next support level. I'm so sorry, resistance level. Okay, meaning the 130s area. If we break this area over here, fantastic, we are going to officially reverse the medium-term bearish sentiment, suggesting more upside for Nvidia, maybe to seek our next resistance level around 142. Okay, just after we closed this gap over here, right, and we found a resistance level. This key point is crystal clear to me as well. All right, if we break the 130s, 142 is going to be our next resistance level. Nathan, will Nvidia react from here or not? We don't know. Okay, we can't predict the future. Technical analysis is not here to help us to predict the future, regardless of what your favorite fake guru says. Okay, it is not to predict the future. We use technical analysis to design strategies, intelligent strategies that allows us to mitigate losses while maximizing profits. We react to what we see right here, right now, because again, trading is reactive. It is not predictive. There is no tool here in this world that can help you predicting the future. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis, tape reading, algo trading, right? Nothing can help you predicting the future. But we can design very good strategies using technical evidence to follow the money. Okay, we are here to follow the money. We are retail traders. Us retail traders, we gotta follow the smart money, and the charts, they are here to tell us what the smart money is doing right here, right now. Okay, so we can have a statistical advantage in this game. All right, so that's how we use technical analysis intelligently. Okay, designing good strategies. Now, if you ask me, Nvidia is looking very good right now. It is a very promising reaction, suggesting a bullish reaction ahead. Now, if you're gonna break the 130s or not, I don't know. If you're gonna reject this candle or not, I don't know. But Nathan, what if we lose this support level of yours? By losing the support level, Nvidia will probably retest our next support area, which is around $100 down here. This black line down here. Okay, it is a round number, a psychological key point, and a technical support level as well. All right. So, okay, if we are right, we can capture a very nice rally over here. If we are wrong, okay, we're gonna lose little money. That's the plan. Okay, that's our main goal over here. And guys, again, we always should work strategically here in this game. And when I tell you guys we have to maximize profits while mitigating losses, it tells a lot about how we should design our strategies, because there is no use. There's absolutely useless to tell you guys, we have an accuracy rate of 70%. meaning out of 10 trades, we make money 7 times. We're gonna lose money 3 times, but 7 times we're gonna make money. All right, it is a fantastic win rate, but guys, this is useless because if you say, okay, Nathan, but with a 70% win rate, you are a better trader than someone who has a 40% win rate, right? I don't know. I don't know, because it all depends on the risk-reward relationship, because it is totally useless for you if you have a win rate of 90. You make money out of 10 trades, you make money 9 times. But I don't know if you make money, if you make like $10 per trade, but at the one single trade you lose money, you wipe like 90% of your entire account, then you are a terrible trader. So it doesn't matter, all right? We always should work with 2 things, okay? Of course, accuracy is very important, but we always should analyze the risk-reward relationship of every single trade we take together. Now, speaking for ourselves over here, we at the 5% project have an accuracy rate of 70% and an average risk-reward relationship of $2.09, meaning for every single trade we take together, for every single dollar we are willing to lose, we make $2.09 in return. All right, that's the overall risk-reward relationship of our trades. Now, if you want to trade with us, receive our trading signals and learn to trade without stress just by following our strategies, then join us. The 5% project is here for you. It's our educational project that aims to help traders become consistent, trading without emotion like true professionals. We are almost 200 traders right now, and you can try our service for free, absolutely free, for 7 days, because our commitment is to always deliver value to our students first, and then let you guys decide whether you want to stay or not. We always work with transparency and integrity, and we do perform very well. So come on and know our work. It costs absolutely nothing. The link to our website is in this video's description, okay? Now, Tesla is also making another very good bullish reaction around a crystal clear support level. Now, by reacting above the support level, Tesla has plenty of upside left, because as far as I know, we could easily bounce to the 21-day EMA area over here. And that's it. Okay, I'm not saying that Tesla will reverse the bearish sentiment. That's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying that Tesla is a buy right now, but I'm saying that we do have, from a statistical point of view, a decent chance of making a bottom signal above a support level after making this bullish reaction, suggesting another rally to our next resistance level. Okay, that's all that I'm saying. All right, if Tesla continues to drop, okay, our next support level is to close this gap, 255, and that's it. Then we'll see if Tesla will make another bottom signal or not. But for now, we are making a promising reaction above the 275. Okay, it is a promising reaction. It has low risk, high potential reward. That's the kind of trade we like to do together in our Telegram channel. So we'll see, right? If Tesla actually confirms a bottom in this area, it will give us a very promising signal. On the weekly chart, Tesla is still clearly bearish, okay? It feels to me that it deserves a better reaction, all right? But the problem is that so far, we do not see any meaningful bottom signal yet. But maybe the daily chart will change things over here. What's the major challenge for Tesla right here, right now, in order to reverse this bearish sentiment? Because for now, we are clearly bearish, okay? We are making lower highs, lower lows. So in order to avoid this bearish chart structure, we gotta see Tesla making higher highs, higher lows again. then and only then we're gonna see a true, meaningful, medium-term bullish reversal chart structure in Tesla stock. But right now, we just see a promising reaction. As swing traders, we can take advantage of this move, but it is a little bit too soon to tell. Let's see how it is going to behave tomorrow. And what AMD is doing is what we do not want to see Tesla doing, because AMD is insanely bearish, right? Lower highs, lower lows, below the 21-day EMA. The 21-day EMA is pointing downwards. We do not see higher highs, higher lows, but guys, now, if you ask me, AMD is trying to bounce to higher resistance levels, okay? Just like it did over here, over here, over here, right? Over here, over here, over here. We could see another rally to this resistance level. Previous support level, now resistance level, along with the 21-day EMA. Just like we saw over here from February 5 to February 20. A rally just to retest the previous support level, now resistance near the 21-day EMA. Okay, so we see a very similar bullish rally over here, but this alone is not going to convince me, at least, that AMD is going to truly reverse this bearish sentiment. Okay, it is not good yet. Now, Nathan, what it takes for AMD to convince you that it is going to avoid a sharper correction? We gotta see AMD clearly trading above this double resistance level, above the 106, above the 21-day EMA. Then and only then we will have a decent chance of making a higher high, higher low again. All right, but so far, without technical evidence suggesting otherwise, AMD is still very bearish. Period. Palantir looks quite interesting right now because we are making a bullish reaction after closing this gap over here. It is a promising reaction. It is looking very good. If we break the 21-day EMA over here, it is going to be perfect. All right, Palantir will show a very robust bullish reaction, suggesting another rally, maybe to retest the all-time high again. All right, but so far, again, it is a little bit too soon to tell. Maybe because, guys, maybe because the indices are just reacting, okay? We are just reacting above a support level, okay? So we see many promising reactions on SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, etc. But we have to wait for the breakout of a few other resistance levels in order for these bearish sentiment to truly reverse, okay? Just like here on Palantir, because so far we still see Palantir correcting back to the 21-day EMA. I'm so sorry, to the 21-week EMA over here. We are trying to react already, okay? Very good. By making a bullish candle on the weekly chart above the moving average, we are going to make a very nice bottom signal, which will be further confirmed on the daily chart. But again, we are still in bearish territory, so in order for this to be perfect, we gotta see the breakout of this moving average on the daily chart, all right? Intel Corporation dropping. Now, unlike the other stocks we have been talking about here, Intel is very bearish right now. It is in bearish territory below the 21-day EMA. We lost the moving average. We lost the 22 support level as well. Now we are clearly in bearish territory without any bullish reaction. Unlike SPY, unlike QQQ, unlike Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, etc., we do not see a bullish reaction yet. Okay, there is no bullish signal. There is no bottom signal in this area. So as far as I'm aware, Intel Corporation could still correct more, maybe to retest our most important support level around $18. And that's the critical turning point for Intel Corporation. Any bottom signal in this area could be just another buying opportunity, just like we did together, because I did send you guys, to the members of the 5% project, a very fantastic buy signal in this area. Intel Corporation exploded over here. We sold partially here. Intel triggered our trailing stop gain over here as well. Our average price was fantastic. It gave us roughly, let me see, roughly 20% gains, right, in just a few days. Now, if you ask me, Intel could make another bottom signal around this support level. If we see this happening again, yes, we are going to buy Intel Corporation again with a low risk and fantastic potential reward. All right, that's how we like to do here in this channel. Oh, and by the way, if you're still watching this video and you are not a subscriber, again, it is too late for you, all right, because you do like technical analysis. This content has been entertaining in some way, right? Maybe you are learning a few things, maybe it is interesting to you, so consider subscribing. Click the like button to support me as well. Your like means a lot. And guys, by subscribing, you are going to receive every single day unbiased analysis of the market, always working with strategy, always sharing many nice trading ideas with you guys over here. So again, subscribe and click the like button to support this community. Your support is always much appreciated. Now, back to our unbiased analysis over here, Intel is bearish. By making a bullish reaction above the support level, it will probably trigger another buy signal. But for now, it is not a buy. So it is a sell. No, it's not a sell as well either, because we are far away from our resistance levels. Guys, if you want to buy near support level, you gotta sell near resistance level. Okay, right now we are far away from our resistance level, so it is not a sell, it is not a buy. That's okay in doing nothing. Us retail traders, we can afford doing nothing sometimes, okay? You don't have to trade every single day, every single time, all right? This is crazy. In fact, over trading is... Guys, many studies reveal that over trading is a real poison to everybody over here, okay? So that's why we favor swing trading. We spend way more time studying, way more time analyzing stocks, and then when we trade, okay, we trade a very good trade with a very good risk reward relationship, all right? And then we always try to nail a very nice bottom signal, but that's why we favor swing trading over day trading, okay? Day trading is just too stressful. It is just it is not what our philosophy here shares among our members, okay? Because we have a very good and consistent trading philosophy, which is here to help us in this market. And again, guys, join the 5% project for more information, for more signals, for more strategies. There I analyze dozens of stocks every single day, and I only share the best opportunities that I see around. And guys, I'm telling you, Intel Corporation is not giving us any meaningful buying opportunity yet, not a selling opportunity as well. Okay, now Meta. You guys asked me to analyze Meta. It is a very good reaction, okay? It is, and it is the kind of trade we like to do together on our Telegram channel, because guys, Meta corrected very sharply back to a very nice support area. This support area was a previous resistance level from December last year. Previous resistance level acting as current support level. That's the principle of polarity in technical analysis here for you guys. Now, yesterday we saw a hammer candle pattern. Today we see an above the stomach candle pattern. We see the confirmation of this hammer candle pattern. According to Thomas Bukowski's studies, hammers reverse the trend roughly 60% of the time, and right now Meta is triggering this hammer. So we have a decent chance of making another bullish reaction, maybe to retest our next resistance level, which is the all-time high. Maybe we have another top level around 688. Either way, we do see a very nice bottom signal getting triggered here in Meta. So yes, if you ask me, odds are that Meta will make another bullish reaction. If we are wrong, okay, risk only one single candle. Any stop loss should be below this candle's low, all right? Risk one candle. While if you are right, you could nail this stop over here, or maybe even the all-time high. So the upside is fantastic. The risk is very small. That's very good for you. Now, guys, if you are still watching this video, remember, subscribe, click the like button to support me. I always appreciate your support, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow here in the Finance Hydra channel. Stay safe. Bye bye.